Hi everyone, my name is T. I am from Koilamati, Karbi, Anglong, Assam. First of all, I give thanks for the APSLC to organize the online speech competition on the topics of successor and its advantages. Dear friend, before I begin my speech, I would like to ask a question. What is the successor of India Constitution? The successor of India Constitution make a separate arrangement for the tribal area of Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Tripura. And before going ahead my speech, I would like to say who are these tribal people. The tribal people are the people living in the northeastern part of India, particularly in Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Tripura. The tribal people are the people different from the other people who live in our country. The tribal people also have their own way of living, their own tradition, their own custom, their own language. So therefore, to protect and to safeguard the languages, the traditions, their customs, and their way of living, these people live underdeveloped, especially they depend on forest, the hills area. And so there is a need to protect their rights. So the Article 244A was added to the Constitution, to the 22nd Constitutional Amendment acted in 1969. It empowered Parliament to establish an autonomous state comprising certain tribal area of Assam, and for local legislature or council of ministers or both can create. It was passed by the Constitutional Assembly in 1949. It provides the power of the enactment of Autonomous District Council, called ADC, to protect the right of tribal population. ADC are those bodies representing the district. These bodies have been given autonomy within the state of Assembly. The Autonomous District Council power with civil and judicial powers can constitute village courts within this jurisdiction to hear trials of cases involving the tribes. The governors of states that fall under the sixth schedule specified the jurisdictions of high courts for each of these cases. The council are also empowered to make legislative laws on matters like land, forest, social security, entertainment, public health, etc., with due approval from the government. The rules of the central and state governments are restricted from the territorial jurisdictions of this autonomous region. And now, in briefly, I would like to say all of its advantages. The people who are settled under successor get tribal status, so that people from other parts of the country do not come and settle there. And it will also protect the demography recognition. The sixth schedule will also protect the native privilege on the land. The sixth schedule grants considerable autonomy of the tribal community. The district council and the regional council gets the real power to make laws. These bodies can sanction funds from the Consolidation Fund of India to meet the cost of a scheme for development, healthcare, education, and the construction of the roads in the area. Thank you.